As I've aged, I've noticed the clarity you have every day is just not the same. And when I have cells, it's like my brain has done a refresh. Hello, my name is Deborah. I am from Texas, and I'm 75 years old. My symptoms were hands that looked like this. They're crooked, they were painful, they didn't function so well. I love to garden. Gardening was harder and harder, trying to hold on to a trowel or whatever, and just the everyday life of opening a jar or anything that's like that. It was really affecting my life. And the doctor diagnosed it as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, as well as I have fibromyalgia. I was very hesitant to try the medication because of the side effects. I had tried one medication that really worked on my immune system, and I stayed sick constantly. I would catch every cold, everything that came around. So I was not willing to try some of the even more harsh drugs. I knew that stem cells worked. I had already had a couple of family members come here, and I had done some research and studied the different things that the Stem Cell Institute treated. And when I saw that my diagnosis was one of them, I thought, why not? And it's been very successful. My first stem cells were in 2021. I came back in 22 just because I thought I might have wanted just a little bit more. And then I skipped 23, and now I'm back in 24. I love the way it makes my brain feel alive again. It really takes away the fog, just a lot of things it kind of does for my head. I'm sure it probably doesn't do that for everyone, but it really makes my brain feel clear. And I like the fact that it helps me remember things, just overall brain things, as well as I'm just wanting to keep it at bay. I don't want the pain to come back, but I'm still doing really well. Panama is beautiful. The view from the hotel, the view from the clinic is absolutely picturesque. The booking experience was very easy. The staff from the minute you walk in the door are amazing. They're very friendly, they're very caring, they call you by your first name. It's been great. I decided to share my story because of my grandson, who was here 6 years ago, and we had great results. It changed his life and our families. And whenever I decided that my hands were to the point that I needed to do medicines, I needed to try it. There was no reason not to try it because I saw no downside. And it's the best thing I've ever done. My recommendation, if you're thinking about stem cells, is the first thing I did was read Dr. Riordan's book. The book explains in a layman's terms about stem cells, what to expect, what they do, the kinds of cells. Stem cells have been very beneficial, and it's been very much worth the effort, worth the travel, worth the time to come here. It can change your life.